privacy professionals and tech execs, I think, could future fit their approach to privacy metrics to actually develop some KPIs that look at key outcomes beyond compliance and start to focus more on things like business enablement and customer engagement. And of course, as I've said before, tech execs have gone through this exercise, right? They've already seen this transformation from focusing on like systems health and cost reduction and service efficiency. And we're actually starting to see that maybe tech execs will start to be targeted against they'll be gold on revenue. And that's a huge, huge shift. So, in the realm of privacy KPIs, we are very familiar with, focusing on the number and frequency of incidents, or the number of customer inquiries you've received, or the number of privacy requests handled. So, according to ISACA data, 58% of firms, measure incidence response, 57 use data protection impact assessments and privacy impact assessments. You focus on things like training, but none of those really communicate business value, and they don't measure tangible outcomes to the business. The same survey found that 11%, or only 11% of firms are measuring customer or brand impact of privacy efforts. So what I want to propose here is a taste of some of the kind of future fit metrics that could help privacy professionals develop these closer ties to the business and to customer experiences. And some of these are technology driven, but some of them are really, in many ways, organizationally driven. So how do you start to find the right stakeholders to support these data-driven initiatives? Or how do you collaborate with the business on new projects? How do you keep track of that? And on the other side, starting to think about, how do you increase the trustworthiness of your brand? What are the metrics that could actually tie to that, right? How do you positively influence the customer experience? How do you contribute to creating the reputation of the brand? And so, some of that has to do with thinking about the number of transparency reports you've supported, or the number of customers opting in versus opting out, right? Like that is an indicator of change, indicator of kind of the health of the brand, and not just about the kind of, did you check a box or not, right? That's it. If you can start to tie it to the actual outcomes for the firm, for the brand, this will start to be a lot more speaking the language of the business rather than just kind of being a cost center.